Sorrento. We arrived yesterday and we were feeling pretty tired because it was a very early flight, so I've not shown you anything yet. We're here for a week and we're about to leave our hotel to go to Pompeii and Herculaneum, which is so exciting. I'll just show you a quick view of our view on our balcony. Selfie, his favourite. So we can see Vesuvius over there, which is amazing. We're actually staying in San Cagnello, which is just a little bit outside Sorrento. And we're about to get our shuttle bus down to the train station.
Good.
We're on our way down to Herculaneum now, and yeah, after spending about 4 hours, around 4 hours at Pompeii, we're hoping we've got enough time in Herculaneum. We're not sure what the closing time is, but it's around 2 o'clock at the moment. I've seen online that it could be like 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Morning! So, morning! That's a bit too much. So I didn't get a chance to speak to you yesterday as we had to run for the train, as it was coming really quickly when we got back to the station. If you heard my clip just before going into Herculaneum, I said I didn't know if the closing time was 4:30 or later, like 6:30 or 7. It was actually 7, I think it closed, but I got 4:30 from somewhere online. Probably because the last train back to Sorrento was around 5, and then there wasn't another train back to Sorrento until 10 o'clock in the evening, so about a 5-hour gap. So maybe that's why they tried to like time it that way. But anyway, that's why we had to run for the train. We did spend about an hour or so in Herculaneum. Could have spent more, definitely more. Just like Pompeii, you could stay there all day. But yeah, we did want to get back to the train and not get stranded there or get a taxi. So yeah, that was that. Today we're actually going to be climbing up Vesuvius, so we've got to get the train back to Herculano, where we were yesterday for Herculaneum, and then we get a bus towards the summit, and then I think it's literally just under a kilometre walk up and back down again. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Back for a few hours. It took a really long time to get back today. The train was quite slow. Yeah, it was worth it. I would recommend actually going up to Vesuvius and trying to do Herculaneum afterwards, because it's quite a trip there from Sorrento to go up there and get the train and the bus and whatever. But yeah, no, it was good. And I thought I'd just have a little chat with you to let you know what we're doing tomorrow, but also to show you the view from our hotel room at this time. I think it's about 10 to 7, and it just, I don't know, it just looks like a really nice light. Just, love it. So yeah, tomorrow we're actually going to Capri, so we'll be walking down to Sorrento port and catching the ferry over. There's a couple of things on the hit list to do, so yeah, hopefully we can make sure that we fit them all in. As we've had a bit of a long day and a busy couple of days as well, we're just going to get some dinner at the restaurant at our hotel today instead of going out into Sorrento in the evening. We have been doing that the last couple of evenings and had some really nice meals and had gelato on the way back for dessert, so I will try and capture that at one point as well, because yeah, Sorrento town is really nice. Quite busy in the evenings, but yeah, lovely. To get up to Capri, because apparently the queues for the buses can be quite long in summer, and we also want to do the chairlift as well in case the queues got quite long, so that's why we've headed here first. We're going to go back down to Capri and walk down. We're back at our hotel room now after a very long day in Capri. I didn't film a lot of the end of it because we were just relaxing. We did go to the only free beach in Capri, so David had a bit of a dip. Then we had some gelato and then we got the ferry home. So yeah, it's been quite a long day, and particularly near the end you could see and feel how busy Capri gets in this, well, for this time of year. Might be busy all time of year, I don't know, but yeah, the ferry was packed getting back to Sorrento. So yeah, anyway, we're just chilling at the hotel now, and we're gonna have some showers because we're feeling quite hot and sweaty after today, and yeah, gonna get an early night because tomorrow we're gonna be going to Positano. Looking forward to Positano, and I think it will be more chilled than today because obviously Capri, we wanted to get up to Capri quickly and then back down to Capri town, so it was a bit hectic, I suppose, and there was a lot of walking, whereas tomorrow I think I might book one of the private beach clubs at Positano so that we can just have like a beach day. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get an early night. Positano is pretty busy. I don't know if you saw from my clips earlier, but I'm so happy that we booked Sun Lounger on the main beach because it's just gets us away from the crowds, and yeah, we can actually just have a beach day and relax. I bought the headscarf, thought it'd be quite chic. Morning, it's Saturday today, so we got back from Positano maybe around 7:30 last night, had some dinner and went back to the hotel feeling pretty tired. We've had some full-on days so far, and today is the first day we don't actually have anything planned, so it's the latest we've got up today as well. It's already 9 o'clock and we're still at the hotel. We were just looking at going to Amalfi, up to Amalfi, but I think we're going to plan that for tomorrow instead now, and just look around Sorrento today and maybe get up to Bagni, Regina, Giovanna, I think that's what it's called. It's like natural pools to the west, I think, of Sorrento. Morning, we're back at the port this morning because after we got back from Bagni, Regina, Giovanna yesterday, we just relaxed at the hotel for the evening and there was a really nice sunset. We tried to get bus tickets to Amalfi yesterday, but we were told that the road was actually closed, and looking online, apparently there was a bus accident. I think that's why the road's closed, and that might also be why we can't get up to Ravello as well. When I look online, I just can't see any buses to get up there. We've come down to the port this morning and bought 2 ferry tickets to take us to Amalfi and back, and yeah, we're just waiting for a ferry now.